चैट, और मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप यहाँ पर बताएं कि फ्रॉम विच सिटी यू आर. somebody is sending private messages. Okay sir, please chat to everyone कर दीजिए. Okay, let us type here from which city you are. Host sir, you are requested to don't allow any message on private chat. Mumbai, Bangalore, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, Himanshu Kaushik ji, namaskar. Very good. Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, welcome, welcome. Sanjay Kumar ji, please type your city, name of your city. हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश सेशन कीजिए जरूर. हिंदी में भी होगा, इंग्लिश में भी होगा. सिरसा हरियाणा, हैदराबाद, वेरी गुड. एंड हैदराबाद, गाजियाबाद, पुणे, पुणे, काठमांडू, नेपाल, वेलकम, वेलकम. रुपेश जी, यू आर फ्रॉम नेपाल. देयर आर पर्सनालिटीज फ्रॉम दुबई आल्सो, यूएई आल्सो. Very good. Hyderabad, thank you. Welcome. And we are going to enjoy entire day. Bangalore, excellent, excellent, excellent. Karthik sir, if you are listening me, please disable the chat box to any type of private messages. Only chat to everyone. Girish Maru ji, नमस्कार. आप हमारे मास्टरमाइंड के सेशन में आप हैं, राइट? तो मैं सबसे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस आप सभी को. मैं यहाँ पर इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ आज के हमारे डायनामिक फैकल्टी के साथ में. बिफोर दैट मैं यहाँ पर आपके सामने में एक पोल लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ और उसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे. मैं चाहूंगा कि अभी तक के 44 लोग लगभग हमारे साथ हैं. Each and everyone must participate in this poll. आपको yes, no और क्लिक करके ही आंसर देने हैं और रिजल्ट हम यहाँ जानना चाहते हैं, so that our faculty हमारे जो फैकल्टी सर हैं, they understood कि what type of input you are willing to receive. Okay, प्रितपाल सर जी दिख रहे हैं. And first poll is on your screen. Want to become successful in your life? Okay, okay, very good. Yes, no, don't know. Want to become successful in your life? Please chat. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Almost all. A few responses, more responses we need. Gauri ji, people are still joining. Welcome, 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 welcome. ध्यान दीजिए, मेरा प्रश्न है, हिंदी में रिपीट कर देता हूं, अंग्रेजी में पहले बोलता हूं. Want to become successful in life? हिंदी में, क्या आप जीवन में सफलता हासिल करना चाहते हैं? यस, नो और तीसरा ऑप्शन है आई डोंट नो, मैं नहीं जानता. ओके, टोटल हमारे पास में जो वोटिंग आई है ऑलमोस्ट 77% लोगों ने वोटिंग करी है. लास्ट 10 सेकेंड्स मैं आपको देने जा रहा हूं. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And here is the results on your screen. Very good. 97% of participants available today are saying that they really want to become successful in their life. 97% लोगों का ये कहना है कि वो जीवन में सफल होना चाहते हैं. और बिल्कुल फैक्ट चीज है मेरे दोस्तों कि पूरे संसार में, पूरे ग्लोब में 700 करोड़ के लगभग की हमारी पॉपुलेशन है। वी आर ऑल अबाउट 700 करोड़ पीपल इन दिस प्लैनेट। और किसी से भी ये प्रश्न किया जाए, किसी भी कंट्री में, किसी भी सिटी में, किसी भी देश में, किसी भी मोहल्ले में, किसी भी कॉलोनी में, हर इंसान, चाहे वो पढ़ा लिखा हो, गरीब हो, अमीर हो, वो कोई भी हो, हर इंसान यही कहेगा कि आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल इन माई लाइफ। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन इज लॉन्च पोलिंग। मेरा अगला प्रश्न है, आर यू यूजिंग 100% पोटेंशियल ऑफ योर माइंड पावर? बहुत सोच समझ के आंसर देना है आपको, क्योंकि इसी के आधार पर इनपुट होगा। कोई जल्दी नहीं है, 3 आंसर्स अवेलेबल हैं। माय क्वेश्चन इज, आर यू यूजिंग 100% पोटेंशियल ऑफ योर माइंड? क्या आप 100% अपने माइंड के पोटेंशियल का यूज कर रहे हैं? Okay, please, waiting for some more personalities to vote. Please vote, everyone. Please vote and support. This is not election, this is our election. हम अपने जीवन के राष्ट्रपति बनेंगे, हम अपने जीवन के प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे, हम अपने जीवन के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर बनेंगे by the end of 6 PM today, क्योंकि we are going to learn many things from our faculty today, right? And don't know, okay, now the ending the poll now ended, and these are the results. Are you using 100% potential of your mind? 70% लोगों का ये कहना है कि वो अपने माइंड पावर का 100% यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। इट मीन्स, ये प्रमाणित करता है कि वी आर हैविंग मच मोर पोटेंशियल इन आवर ब्रेन, आवर माइंड। 27% लोगों का कहना है कि दे आर यूजिंग देयर 100% potential. Very good, excellent, congratulations if you are using 100% of your mind power, brain power. And there are 3% people जिनको ये मालूम नहीं है कि वो यूज कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं। Excellent result, thank you. Now I am stopping and going to the next question on your screen. Be ready. Question number 3. Do you strongly believe you have higher potential than what are currently performing? आप जिस स्तर पर ज्ञान के, स्किल के, ब्रेन पावर के, जिस स्टैंडर्ड पर, जिस स्टेज पर आज आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, क्या आप बिलीव करते हैं कि इससे ज्यादा हायर पोटेंशियल आप में है? इज इट ट्रू, इज इट फॉल्स, या डोंट नो? Waiting for some more voting. 26, 27. Very good, very good, very good. Please understand the question, then reply. कोई जल्दी नहीं है, जल्दीबाजी आप नहीं करेंगे। Do you strongly believe you have higher potential than what you are currently performing? And now ending the poll and results on your screen. Do you strongly believe you have higher potential than what you are currently performing? True. 83% लोगों का ये कहना है कि यस, हम जिस लेवल पर प्रेजेंटली परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं उससे बहुत हायर पोटेंशियल हमने है। एक भी ने ये नहीं कहा है कि ये सेंटेंस गलत है, लेकिन 1% लोगों का ये कहना है कि दे डोंट नो, उन्हें अभी मालूम नहीं है। Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Really great. And now the last question on your screen. I need 100% participation for this poll. Poll is on your screen now. How much of your brain power you are using currently? अभी आप कितना प्रतिशत अपने ब्रेन पावर का यूज कर रहे हैं? कंट्राडिक्शन है। अभी हमने 100% की बात की थी, वहां पर कुछ लोगों ने हाँ नहीं किया था, लेकिन ये एग्जैक्टली रियल पोल है। वो मैंने कंफ्यूजिंग पोल आपके सामने में दी थी, लेकिन ये 100% एक्यूरेट पोलिंग के रिजल्ट यहां पर मिलने वाले हैं। एंड वी आर टुडे going to dive deep into the matter how to use maximum out of this brain power, mind power. Right. A few results, few person. Still, I am waiting for few voting more. Please, everyone, participate. 10, 9, 8, 7. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूं। हाउ मच ऑफ योर ब्रेन पावर यू आर यूजिंग करेंटली? अभी आप अपने ब्रेन पावर का कितना प्रतिशत यूज कर रहे हैं? लेस देन 5%, अबाउट 10%, अबाउट 20%, above 20%, above 50%. And now the ending the poll. Full capacity is not known. Yes, really, Prithpal sir. जिस दिन हम फुल पोटेंशियल को पा लिए, अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने भी कहा था कि मैंने पूरे जीवन में हजारों आविष्कार किए हैं, लेकिन मैंने 10, 12, 15% से ज्यादा इसका उपयोग कभी नहीं किया। Very good. And now ending the poll as we got maximum polling. Sharing the results with you. 46% people are telling that they are currently using less than 5% of their potential and brain power or mind power. About 19% people are saying that they are using about 10% of their mind power. 19% persons are telling that they are using about 20%, around 20% of their brain power. There are 14% people who are using 14%, 14% of their brain power, and there are 3% people are with us today, those who are using more than 50% of their brain power. And now I am going to stop the entire polling for today and going dive deep today. Mind power, subconscious mind power, speed reading, mind mapping, and memory power. We are going to explain, we are going to demonstrate, we are going to teach you all these skills in this webinar today. जितना भी हमसे संभव हो सकेगा वो सब चीजें हम आपको बताएंगे। लेट मी चैट हियर। आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कीजिए कितने लोग हैं जिनको हमारे सभी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया का सीक्वेंस में नाम याद है। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1, राइट डाउन प्लीज ऑन चैट बॉक्स कितने लोग हैं जिनको 100% प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया का नाम याद है या 1 2 3 4 सीक्वेंस में याद है? नो 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 नो। रामनाथ कोविंद इज प्रेजेंट प्रेसिडेंट, करेंट प्रेसिडेंट। मैं ये बोल रहा हूं, नेवर थिंक ऑफ दिस। वेरी गुड प्रखर सर, वेरी गुड। रामनाथ कोविंद इज प्रेजेंट, presently he is president of India. I am telling you to tell me that do you know the 100% president's name जिन्होंने 1947 या 1950 से अभी तक के, you know only one. Great, 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 great. Feel really very great. And now कितने लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा? आप टाइप कीजिए अमेजिंग ए। यदि मैं आपको 5 मिनट में, विद इन 5 मिनट, आपके माइंड पावर का यूज करके आपको टीच दूं ऐसा चुटकी में, कि आप प्रेसिडेंट नंबर 1 से लेकर के प्रेसिडेंट टिल टुडे जितने प्रेसिडेंट हुए हैं उनका नाम 5 मिनट में आप याद कर सकेंगे, बता सकेंगे और लाइफ लॉन्ग रिकॉल कर सकेंगे। अमेजिंग टाइप कीजिए अमेजिंग, ए ए ए ए ए ए। ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट, ऑल आर सेइंग सुपर अमेजिंग, थैंक यू थैंक यू। ए फॉर अमेजिंग, ए फॉर अमेजिंग, नीड मोर, नीड मोर, ए फॉर अमेजिंग, A for amazing. Great, 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 great. And now the time to meet our faculty. I am going to teach you in coming session how to recall, how to remember in 3 to 5 minutes all the names, 20 or 22 or 17 or 18, all presidents of India, all prime ministers of India in sequence, right? And now the time to invite our today's faculty, none other than Mr. Infinity Karthik, जिनके बारे में मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि he is the most renowned personality in the area of speed reading, memory power, and especially mind mapping India, in India currently. He used to invited to become jury for all India memory power contest every year. He is a great guy. He is a humble personality. I never met him personally, but I used to attend his classes on Zoom. और उनके उस पर्सनालिटी ने, उनके उस हम्बलनेस ने, उनके उस सादगी ने, उनके उस माइंड पावर ने, उनके उस स्किल ने मुझे उनके साथ में कनेक्ट करने का इंस्पिरेशन मुझे मिला। एंड ऑनलाइन मैं उनके साथ में कनेक्ट हुआ एंड प्रेजेंटली वी हैव क्रिएटेड ए corporation named Mind Rose International to spread the message of mind power, speed reading, memory power, and speed reading and mind map in entire world through Mind Rose International. And this is our historical and very first open webinar, and that is free for all. तो मैं इसके पहले कि इनवाइट करूं जिनके साथ मुझे और आपको पूरा दिन रहना है, उनसे बहुत सारी स्किल्स हमको लेना है, बहुत सारी गिफ्ट हमको लेना है, बहुत सारी जानकारी हमको लेना है, बहुत सारा विजडम हमको लेना है, बहुत सारा ज्ञान हमको लेना है। मैं चाहूंगा कि चैट बॉक्स में हम टाइप करें वेलकम, W फॉर वेलकम, WWW, वेलकम Karthik sir. Please fill the chat box with W and let me invite with clap. Welcome Mr. Karthik.
So thank you so much. If you can see me and if you can hear me, type in C, type in C. Yeah, just allow me a minute. Fantastic. Okay, just wanted to know. Okay, first of all, let me thank you all of you for being here. Today is a weekend. You could be doing something. You could be watching some TV. You could be watching, or playing with somebody, with your kids and all those things. But you took the time here for being here and attending this to make sure your life becomes successful, right? So mind power is the money power. Mind power is the success power, right? So before we get started, I want to make sure that we are going to get the maximum value for the time that all of you are investing here. Okay. So to make sure that I'm going to give you a maximum value for the time that you're going to give, that you're going to spend. So we all have to stick to the schedule because all of us are actually connected remotely. So is this okay if we make sure there are some strict rules that we are putting in so that all of you will be able to make the best use of it? Okay. It's even though we are saying it is a free seminar, but I would suggest, all of you are investing your time, correct? So it is important that I have to make sure all of your time is completely valued. Okay. So is that okay? If everybody agrees to it, just type in yes, agree, yes, agree, yes. Okay. So we will have some sequence of exercises that we will do it, and there will be more and more that you will try to understand yourself, because the money power comes when your mind power is tuned. If you are not tuned, your mind can be really, really tuned. So we are going to we are going to demonstrate few things, right? And this is going to be more powerful. Okay. The success is different for different people, right? For some of you, it would be making more money is success. For some of you, helping somebody else is the success, right? Let me ask you this question. How many of you know your success? Just type in. Do you know what is your success? Do you know what is your success? So few people are saying yes, absolutely. Many people are saying no also. That's good. So not exactly, I know my goal. Prakash says, Nikita says no, Sunil says no, Hum says no, but we have Bharat, Archana, and some of you are saying yes, and Gauri says no. Bharat Reddy says no, absolutely. It needs to be defined and everything, right? Now, I have researched a lot of things, over 3 decades of the research work that I'm going to present today in the whole day. So I want to make sure that we are in a very, very difficult situation of COVID. There is a structural change that is happening. And in all the difficult situations, it's about how you look at it, whether the glass is half full or glass is high, or empty. So even in this difficult situation, there is an opportunity that God has given to reset ourselves and restart from scratch. So many of you may be suffering because of either a job loss, or you've got an impacted with the business, or even if you're not impacted with all of them, being in the house for months together, mentally stressed out. There are different ways, each one of us have been actually going through it, right? So let's get started with the clarity. The clarity is power. Okay. Clarity is power. So to understand the clarity, whatever we are going to tune, even though no matter how much you are actually successful or not successful, it doesn't matter. It's all about technique. Okay. So it's all about technique. We're going to demonstrate this live. So without wasting much of your time, let me get started. The first and foremost thing that we're going to do this as part of this exercise is we are going to define what is your success. Okay. The first step, because you should know your goal, then only you can go ahead and actually participate in the race. If you do not know what is your goal, then you are simply, going in different ways. Okay. Now, I did a lot of research in figuring it out. What are the different ways of figuring it out? How a success could be determined? I've attended a lot of courses, lot of different things. We got, I got a lot of different questionnaires that I had to fill in. I tried every single method. And even after trying every single method, always I feel that, okay, whatever I've written is not something I really wanted. Or, there was no some foolproof system that I could figure out, that will give me a satisfaction that, okay, this is exactly what is my what do I want in my life? Okay. Then after figuring it out, then I started doing the research on this. Then I came to know about a very, very powerful technique. Okay. Then there is no way you're going to go wrong with this technique. And this is a very foolproof. And I've experimented this on hundreds and thousands of people. The results I'm getting is amazing. Okay. So we're going to get started with this. So if you guys are ready, you got to have your notebook and paper ready. And if you're ready, just type in ready, ready, ready. Yes. So guys, the more and more you're able to participate, more and more you're going to get out of it. Okay. So it is not about me. It's about you, your success, right? Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, so we are going to get started with the visualization exercise. Why visualization exercise? Remember, our mind is very, very powerful. It is powerful than what you can think about. So can we reach to a moon in fraction of seconds through our imagination? Do you agree? Do you agree? You can reach to the moon in a fraction of second? Yes. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So can you reach to the sun in fraction of seconds through your mind? Is it possible? Yes, yes, absolutely. It is so powerful. So let us redirect our so powerful thing that is given to us by the God in the right direction. Because I'm, using our mind power, because it's very, very powerful. I just want to make sure that you are actually redirecting the entire thing in the right direction, so everybody will get benefited out of it. Okay, so we'll do an exercise. This will be a visualization exercise. Very, very powerful. And some of you who have already written whatever your success in your life, let me tell you, after this particular exercise is done, you will be, there are two things that can happen. One is you will feel that whatever you have written has no relevance with what you have actually just saw. Okay. The second thing is, if you have written your, vision in the right fashion, this will give you a double confirmation. Okay. That what you have written is correct. And if you're not sure about what is your success, for you guys, it's going to be absolutely amazing, because you're starting with a clean slate actually, right? So before I get started, I want to start with one story. The first story is that, so there will be a monk, with whom, a student goes. He will be a very rich student, and he wanted to learn various, techniques from the monk. And he goes there and he starts talking actually. I know this, I know this, I know this, and all this kind of things. The monk understands this guy is not coming with open mind. He calls one of his students, and he takes 2 cups actually, and start pouring the tea in that particular cup. And the cup starts overflowing, but he still keep pouring it. Then the rich person says, "What are you doing? Are you mad? The actually tea is getting spilled over." Right? Then the monk laughs and says, "Exactly, my son, this is what I wanted to teach you. If you're coming with the full cup, this is going to actually, you'll never be able to get what you want in life. You've got to empty your cup before you can receive the new tea." Correct? So for all of you who are coming from different backgrounds, you may be knowing many things. I want you to actually empty your cup and think it in a different perspective, because this is not about me. This is about you. Okay, about your success. What is your success? Okay, don't compare with anybody else, because your success is different from other success. Okay, the rule number 1 is that for the visualization exercise that we are going to do, you're going to close your eyes. You'll take a deep breath. Okay, and not now. I'll tell you when to do it. And the situation is this: you are on your deathbed. Okay, and sorry to say, but this is the only way that you will be able to figure it out in the right way. What is your success in your life? Imagine that you are on the deathbed, and you're going to die in next few seconds or few minutes. And in those few seconds, you go back and look at your life. What are the things that you have achieved And if you feel that whatever things that you have achieved is enough, you will die peacefully. If whatever things are which you are achieved, which whatever you have done is not the one which you are really wanted to do it, then you're not dying peacefully. Okay, so that is your success in your life. Okay, so now this is different for different people. I want all of you to do this visualization exercise. All of you are going to get around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so let me ask you guys, how many minutes do you need? 3 minutes or 5 minutes? Let me ask you, let me understand how much. So 3 minutes. Okay, we will do 3 minutes exercise and another 2 minutes and another 3 minutes. Okay, most of you are asking for 3 minutes. Let's do this. 2 minutes for visualization, 3 minutes for writing what exactly you want. Okay, is that fine? If the instructions are clear, type in crystal. If the instructions are clear, type in crystal so that I know you have understood it. Okay, yeah, Prakar says, Khalil says, Ham says, Nikita, can you please repeat? Okay, the visualization exercise is going to be very powerful. We want to define what is success in your life. When you are actually dying, you should not be dying with the something that, okay, I should have done this, I should have done this. So what we do is we are going to go and do a visualization exercise, and this visualization exercise will be for 2 minutes. And after you do this 2 minutes of visualization exercise, next 3 minutes you will write down whatever you feel, whatever comes in your thought, whatever comes in your mind, non-stop. You should not be thinking, you should be only writing, because visualization is done. You should not stop anything. Non-stop, you're going to write it for 3 actually. If you get many thoughts, don't worry, first you start dumping it. We'll tell you how you can organize it at a later stage. Okay, don't worry, right or wrong, if the instruction is clear, so that will be really, really good. Okay, so for example, you may be looking, okay, I'll give the example. So maybe you want to do something like, I want to plant around 200 crore trees across India, across world. So that is one of my vision. Another vision is that I want to create 1,000 billionaires. Another vision I have is that I want to impact all the 7 billion people on this planet Earth. Okay, so, and there are all these things which I can start looking at, right? So you can be writing multiple things coming from multiple directions. Don't worry about it. Okay, this is not a time to organize, this is a time to dump your thoughts. Clear? Now with this instructions, we are going to get started. I have a timer with me. I'm going to set my timer now. So you are going to take a deep breath like this, and your visualization exercise will start. Okay, I'm going to start my timer right now. Go ahead. Last 15 seconds. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. It's very important. You have to start. Stick to the rules because there are specific reason why we are actually doing this. Okay. Now, so now the time you're going to start is your next 3 minutes. You're going to write it down. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. So 1 minute over, another 2 minutes to write. So please continue to write non-stop. Okay. You should not think. You have to just dump whatever you got it. Right or wrong doesn't matter. We'll organize everything later. Okay. It's not the time to organize. It's the time to dump. So you'll be surprised with 2 minutes visualization exercise how many things that you have started getting it. Dump. Keep writing, don't stop. Okay. Very, very important. The moment you stop, you will lose the flow. So momentum should not be broken. It's like a river. When water is coming, you will continuously be getting it. So even if you are not getting an idea, write something. Okay. ABCD also you write. Doesn't matter, but don't stop. Because once you keep writing ABCD, 1 or 2 things ABCD will write. After that, you will start getting the new ideas. Key is to write continuously. Okay, the key is to write continuously. You're going to get another 30 seconds more. Last 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Done. Stop. Please stop it. There is a very specific reason why all these exercises have been done with the time fashion. Okay, because when you're doing it with the time fashion, you're not looking at somewhere else because you are focused or forced to work on this task, thereby improves your productivity to a greater extent. Okay, so make sure every task that is how all the things that you're going to do it will be based on that. Okay, now first and foremost thing, what did you actually see through this visualization exercise? Do you think it was an amazing exercise? Were you able to get clarity for most of your time? Most of you? Rumana says, Rupesh says, Swarup says, Prakar says, Bharat, Upendra, Srinivas, absolutely, yeah. Do you know what we are going to get into this today? Do you understand for the next rest of the part that you're going to spend in our training? How powerful this training is going to be? Do you understand the importance of this? If you understand this, then type in, important, then type in important, right? So I want all of you to visualize. So this is about you guys. So the more you're able to participate, the more you are able to be here, be present, not getting into any distractions, focusing on this, I will promise you're going to get an amazing value out of this. Okay. Now, do you want this to be benefited to all of your friends as well? Do you want this to be benefited to all of your friends as well? Do you believe with this simple exercise that we have done, so powerful that people take years to figure it out? Okay, that we just did it in 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes, right? Now, because if you want this to be helpful for all other people, what we are going to do is we're going to give you 15 minutes quick break right now. Okay, pick up your phone, call your friends. Hey, I'm attending one of the most powerful exercise, most powerful training, and this is going to be only for today. There's no recording, nothing is going to be there. If you miss it, you're going to miss it forever. Please come and join. Okay, in this 15 minutes, you time it, not more than 3 people. You are going to call only 2 to 3 people who are serious. Okay, who are serious. We don't want everybody, but prioritize. And if you feel that, okay, you can reach more than 3, that's up to you. But you got 15 minutes time. Now the time is 10:20. 10:35, we're going to catch up again. In 15 minutes, call them, finish your bio breaks, and get back and switch off all other distractions, because this particular individual training is going to change your life. It's not about me, it's about you. Okay, if you're serious about your life taking to a next level, you got to focus. Okay, thank you so much. In 15 minutes we'll be right back. Thank you.